this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect an Xbox controller to your PC. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going over two methods for this, and you can do this on both Windows 10 or Windows 11, and it's going to work with any Xbox controller. In my opinion, the best method is going to be through a wired connection, and you just connect this with a USB cable. Just connect one end of the cable to your Xbox controller and the other end into your PC, and this method is going to give you the lowest input delay, it's going to give you the least latency, and it's going to give you the most responsive gameplay. This is ideal for competitive games, but it's also great for casual gaming. Whenever it's plugged in, your controller will automatically be recognized by Windows in any game that you launch. But the second method, and this is if you don't want to use a cable, you can actually connect your controller using Bluetooth. Begin by selecting search down at the very bottom and type in Bluetooth and hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on, and after doing so, go ahead and go through the connection process on that controller. On that Xbox, just hold that small pairing button in the top of the controller near the USB port for about 3 seconds until it enters pairing mode. And then once your Xbox controller appears on your PC, simply go ahead and click on it. After that, that controller will be successfully connected and ready to use. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.